अगर ये रेजोल्यूशन आपका हो गया है
जी हो
तो
गया।
एक बात तो मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी कि लोग तकारीर कर रहे हैं, बहुत अहम है और मिनिस्टर ने भी बहुत बातें की, स्टेट मिनिस्टर ने, लेकिन यहाँ एक रिवाज बन गया है कि मिनिस्टर्स 20-20 मिनट आधा घंटा बोलते हैं। चेयरमैन साहब, आप कुछ तो रहम कीजिए। हम
जी
पे
4 मिनट बोल चुके हैं वो।
जी
4 मिनट बोले हैं वो।
4 मिनट
जी मेरे पास है यहाँ पे।
नहीं,
जी
नहीं।
जी आप बताएं।
Anyway, Chairman Sahab, I take your liberty.
जी जी
I take liberty to beg to move under Rule 263 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business in the Senate 2012 that the requirements of Rules 25, 29, 30 and 133 of the said rules be dispensed with in order to enable the House to pass a resolution for expressing solidarity with the people of illegally occupied, Indian-occupied Jammu and Kashmir and stating our unswerving commitment to the Kashmir cause. Do I have your approval, Chairman?
It has been moved that under Rule 263 of the Rule of Procedure and Conduct of Business in the Senate 2012 that the requirements of the Rule 25, 29, 30 and 133 of the said rules be dispensed with to enable the House to pass a resolution for expressing solidarity with the people of the Indian occupied Jammu and Kashmir and answering commitment to the Kashmir cause. Those who are in favor of the motion may say aye. Those against the motion may say no. I think the ayes have it, the motion is carried. जी शेर रहमान साहब, रेजोल्यूशन
जी
प्लीज।
शुक्रिया चेयरमैन साहब। मुख्तसरन ये रेजोल्यूशन है जो जितनी भी पार्टीज यहाँ हाउस में मौजूद हैं सब ने साइन किया है, एंड आई विल रीड इट आउट टू यू। ये वो दिन के को रिकग्नाइज करता है जो कल का दिन होगा 27 अक्टूबर को, when Indian forces moved into Kashmir and illegally occupied it. So the Senate of Pakistan, expressing full solidarity with the popular, spontaneous, indigenous and widespread uprising of the heroic people of illegally occupied Indian Jammu and Kashmir, terms October 27th as a black day in the history of the Kashmiri people, since it was on October 27th, 1947, that the Indian troops landed in Srinagar and forcibly occupied Jammu and Kashmir. The Senate of Pakistan, taking note of successive UN Security Council resolutions in this regard, resolutely rejects the illegal Indian occupation of Kashmir, which is the root cause of the Kashmir problem for the last 73 years. This brutal Indian occupation, based on falsehood, fear, and force, is primarily responsible for the miserable plight of the struggling Kashmiri children, women, and men who have been forced to remain part of India under the diktat of bullets, bayonets, and bombs. India has falsified and forged a document which it terms as an instrument of accession, and this forgery has been unmasked by respected international historians since it is used to justify and defend the indefensible. On this occasion, Chairman Sahab, the Senate of Pakistan wishes to reaffirm the complete and unconditional support of Pakistan and its people to the just cause of the inalienable right of self-determination of the people of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir in accordance with the UN Security Council resolutions that seek a plebiscite under UN auspices to ascertain the wishes of the Kashmiri people regarding their future. Moreover, the Senate strongly condemns the Modi regime in India for allowing policies based on bigotry and Islamophobia that seek to divide society and promote discrimination against the people of Jammu and Kashmir on the basis of their ethnicity and religion. The Senate also condemns the illegal attempts at annexation of illegally occupied J&K from August 5th, 2019, as well as the illegal attempts to change the demography of the area. Finally, the Senate also thanks all those countries, international organizations, and freedom-loving people for their support and sympathy for the Kashmir cause, which will continue its valiant struggle until victory.
Thank you. I now put the resolution